Luinor L2 unboxing. Going over the box, you got L2 bursting D2, layer, this driver, and the launcher, and the winder. On the back, type is attack, layer, left spin, has 7 attack, 4 burst, 0 defense, 7 weight, 4 agility, 0 stamina, and 9 and spiral. Going to open it now. Kind of want to get the box looking okay because it's pretty weird. It's pretty good. Launcher. Got the layer here, which piece of plastic seems to get stuck in the dragon head. Got that out. 9 and spiral. So this is what you get in the box. First thing is the launcher. I know a lot of people dislike this launcher for the size and performance, but I actually think this is a better launcher than the Strip Strike launcher due to its free spinning capability. Seems to provide more power. Next up we got the layer, which is pretty much the main part of the bay. It looks really good. It's L2, pretty much everybody knows what L2 looks like. And then here's the one without the code, so I'm going to remove the code in this one in a separate video because I get that question a lot. How do you remove L2's code? And dragon heads in this one are really shiny compared to my one that's like pretty worn. They're just like dull, but eventually they'll all look like this. And then you got the disc 9. Mine has 4 stars, so that's the same as my original. Actually, it's 3 stars, my bad. Yeah, it's 3 stars, so 1 less than the original. And then I got spiral, which is pretty simple, you know, just attack. So my old L2 layer is really worn, so when I'm putting this together, I'm going to see if it's tight. Hopefully it is. It's decent, but it's not as good as this one was. It's actually probably kind of disappointing. It's actually weaker than my worn L2, which seems to be the case for me, but it's really disappointing that it's not as strong. I wanted it to be, you know, as strong, but it's disappointing. Now I'm going to do a test launch of L2, and then I'm going to battle against my older L2. 3, 2, 1, first. Standard for L2, this spiral goes really fast and then slows down and eventually stops. Now I'm going to do a few battles. It was the new L2 that you got first. New L2 won. Last battle. And the older L2 won. So that's it for my unboxing and review. Thank you for watching.